Assalamualaikum students. Today we will understand if you say so. If you say so. What is the meaning of if you say so? इसका मतलब होता है अगर तुम कहो तो. So we will make the sentences according if you say so. So first is if you say so I forgive him. अगर तुम कहते हो तो मैं उसे माफ़ करती हूँ. If you say so he will go there. अगर तुम कहते हो तो वो वहाँ जाएगा. If you say so she will write. अगर तुम कहते हो तो वो लिखेंगी. If you say so they will play. अगर तुम कहते हो तो वे खेलेंगे. Like it, we will make the sentences according if you say so. Thank you very much.